This is not going to be a popular shampoos are bad and natural or no shampoo shampoos are good. I recently switched to a natural shampoo soap bar and I stuck with it for a few weeks. I actually kind of liked it at first, but after a couple of weeks it became very obvious that this is not a good alternative to the shampoo I'd been using. We have to wash our hair, and more importantly actually use something that cleans our hair and especially our scalp, right? Because without a clean and healthy scalp, we can't have healthy hair. But if you're experiencing hair loss, hair thinning, or maybe you have a dry scalp or an itchy scalp, maybe even some flaking, it might be worth considering switching to a different shampoo. There are, of course, many possible reasons for hair loss, like genetics, diet, stress, vitamin deficiencies, but I think if we can use a shampoo with ingredients that are less harsh on our scalp, yet still very effective at cleaning it, and this in turn makes our scalp healthier and our hair fuller, then let's do it. And you do not have to get a super expensive shampoo, no worries. There is a wide area in between harsh sulfates as surfactants and all natural shampoos or no shampoo shampoos. And hey, if the shampoo you're using is working for you and you're not losing a ton of hair and you don't have itchy, flaky scalp or some other issues with your scalp, then you don't need to watch this video. This is not a all commercial shampoos are evil video. Different things work for different people. So let's look at some popular shampoos. What do all of these have in common? Besides, nice packaging and a strong fragrance, sometimes way too strong, I think, they all contain something called sodium lauryl sulfate or sodium lauryl sulfate, also called SLS. It's actually listed as the first ingredient, making it the main ingredient, and it's a widely used surfactant or detergent found in many personal care products, such as your shampoo. It's also what makes shampoo produce a lot of foam, which, is nice, makes you feel like it's really doing something. But here's the thing, sulfates actually destroy protein. And what is our hair made of? Yep, protein. Over 90% protein. So why would we want to wash our hair with the same detergent that is also used in dish soap and all-purpose cleaner? Obviously, it's in a higher concentration in those products, but still, it's crazy to me. They are way too harsh. It's not necessary, and they destroy our hair follicles and dry out our scalp. It's just cheaper than other surfactants, and so, of course, that's what most companies like to use in their products because it's all about money and because they know we're not going to look up all the ingredients on the back of the bottle. And there are a ton of ingredients, right? It's overwhelming. But the first couple of ingredients listed are the most important ones because those are the main components of the shampoo. There are a lot of people out there who think that chemicals are very bad, right? That they are toxic, that they can build up in your system, that they are a skin and eye irritant, which is true to some extent, but we're not using it to wash our eyes, right? And also, most things will irritate our eyes. I've even read that it can get stored in your kidneys, that it can mess with your reproductive organs, your nervous systems. All of that sounds super scary, right? So do we need to switch to something all natural, just containing some oils and herbal extracts? No poo? Yeah, I don't think so. I tried it and it was a disaster. So why don't we talk about what surfactants actually do? They very effectively remove oils and dirt. And that is important. The whole point of why we wash our hair with shampoo. Surfactants do this by lowering the surface tension of water, allowing it to spread and penetrate more easily, which enhances the surfactant's ability to remove dirt and oils. Now, I'm not smart enough to know how exactly that works, but I do know that my scalp needs this. The natural shampoo soap bar that I was mentioning earlier, which I bought at Whole Foods and was not cheap, the main ingredients were coconut oil, castor seed oil, avocado oil, cocoa seed butter, sea salt, essential oils, and activated charcoal, whatever that is. But interestingly enough, also listed as an ingredient was sodium hydroxide, which, when I looked it up, is found in products like oven cleaner and drain opener due to its ability to dissolve organic matter. So technically, this shampoo bar is sulfate-free, but then it has drain cleaner in it. So a bunch of oils and a bit of drain cleaner. total marketing gag, right? It smelled very healthy, and I did like how my hair felt afterwards, but like I said, after a couple of weeks, my scalp started really complaining. I have never had an issue with my scalp, right? I've never even really been aware of my scalp, and it started to itch like crazy. I'm not sure if it was all those oils or the bit of drain cleaner, but yeah, it was awful. I would just scratch my scalp and it would, snow. Light snow, but still, no thanks. I thought maybe it was some supplement I was taking or whatever, because I do take quite a few supplements, but I hadn't added any new supplements to my stack recently. So then I thought, well, maybe it is this natural shampoo bar. So I stopped using it and everything slowly went back to normal. So what's the point of the story? We actually do need a good surfactant in our shampoo. But we don't need a surfactant that is also being used in laundry detergent or kitchen floor cleaner, right? Now, thank God there are some milder surfactants out there, and more brands are coming out with shampoos that use these milder surfactants. Let's look at the top alternatives to sodium lauryl sulfate and the likes that are much milder, but, and this is the important part, will still do a great job cleaning our scalp. The first one is sodium cocoyl isothionate. No, I don't think that's it. Hold on.
Sodium cocoyl isothianate.
The first one is sodium cocoyl isothianate. It is a mild surfactant derived from coconut oil. It functions just like harsher surfactants, which means it helps reduce the surface tension of water, allowing it to mix more easily with oils and dirt, blah, blah, blah. This makes it an effective cleansing agent. Being derived from coconut oil, SCI is biodegradable and considered environmentally friendly. The Pantene Illuminating Color Care shampoo uses this as the main cleanser, and it's supposed to be really good. And I do not have any affiliation with any of the products that I'm recommending in this video, by the way. Aveeno Active Naturals Pure Renewal Shampoo is another great shampoo which uses SCI as the surfactant. Second, we have diesel glucoside, which is actually mild enough to be added to baby skincare products. So it's great for people with more sensitive skin and sensitive scalps. A great shampoo using this as the surfactant is Dr. Squatch. I like these shampoos a lot as they don't have a strong floral smell. So for men or women who don't like strong floral smelling products, check out the Dr. Squatch shampoos. Yeah, personally, I don't need to feel like I'm under a waterfall in a tropical rainforest with a cloud of fragrance around my head. I just want to take a shower and wash my hair and feel clean, not like a gigolo getting ready on a Saturday night. And third, we have lauryl glucoside. Very effective at cleaning, and this one is also mild enough that they use it in baby products, and it's very friendly on the environment. Brands using this as their main shampoo surfactant are Typology, for example. And here are a few more mild but still effective surfactants that are free of sulfates. Maybe pause and take a screenshot. And here is a list of the top ingredients to avoid in your shampoo. So to wrap it up, if the shampoo you're using works great for you, stick with it. But if you have a dry and itchy scalp or you're losing more hair than you think you should, switch it out for a milder one and see what happens. It's what I did. I use a shampoo with a mild but effective surfactant and my scalp is happy and quiet. No complaints and no more snow. Also, as a last tip, the fluoride in your water can actually cause significant hair loss as well as acne. You could get a simple shower filter that filters out the fluoride and also chlorine. You just screw it on, super easy. I put a link in the description box to an affordable one. It's the one I use and I definitely think it makes a difference. And again, I'm not affiliated with any of the products mentioned. And that's it for today. I hope you got something out of this video. Like and subscribe if you feel like it, and I will see you next time. Take care.